feel that sudden tightness in your chest while you're sitting at your desk, and you just want it to go away. You want a shortcut. You want a physical object that can pull you back from the edge of a panic attack. This is exactly where the marketing for this specific anxiety bracelet finds its home. It is not just being sold as a piece of jewelry for your collection. They are pitching it as a biological intervention. It is framed as a natural solution. It is designed to regulate your nervous system. It claims to quiet those loud, intrusive thoughts that keep you awake at night. When you look at the sales page, it feels very official. You see mentions of black obsidian and black tourmaline. These are beautiful stones. There is no doubt about that. But the brand goes much further. They try to link these materials to historical and scientific concepts. They even bring up the idea of piezoelectricity. That is a real thing in physics. It is when certain materials generate an electric charge under pressure. However, the jump from basic physics to curing human anxiety is a massive leap. It is a gap that science has not bridged. Let us look at the actual clinical evidence for a moment. If you search for medical trials or peer-reviewed data on these bracelets, you will come up empty. There is no established medical proof that wearing obsidian on your wrist will fix an anxiety disorder. It simply does not exist in the world of modern medicine. This is a crucial distinction to make. We are living in an era where wellness and medicine are constantly being blurred together. It makes it very hard to tell what is a legitimate tool and what is just clever branding. Now, does that make it a scam? That is a complicated question. If you buy this and you find that it helps you, that is wonderful. But we have to ask why it helps. For many people, the benefit comes from the ritual itself. It is a physical anchor. When your mind starts to race, you can touch the cool surface of the stones. You can use it as a reminder to take a slow, deep breath. That is a form of mindfulness. It is a symbol of your intention to stay calm. Symbols have power. Rituals have power. But we should not confuse that psychological comfort with a medical treatment. My concern is for the person who is struggling deeply and thinks this bracelet will replace therapy or professional help. It is a wellness accessory. It is not a prescription. The stones are real. The jewelry is a physical product that will arrive in your mailbox. It is not a phantom item. But the life-changing results promised in the ads are much harder to pin down. Marketing is designed to tap into our vulnerabilities. It finds the things that keep us up at night and offers a simple, wearable solution. We want to believe that a stone can carry our burdens for us. In reality, the work of managing anxiety is usually much more difficult than just putting on a bracelet. It involves habits, environment, and professional guidance. If you love the look of the bracelet, then it might be worth it to you. If the stones make you feel grounded, that has value. Just keep your eyes open. Do not let a shiny marketing campaign replace your common sense. We have to be our own advocates in this crowded wellness market. We have to look past the buzzwords and the pseudoscience. A piece of jewelry can be a beautiful companion on your journey, but it is not the destination. It is a tool for your pocket or your wrist, but it is not a cure for the complex workings of the human mind. Keep that perspective in your head whenever you see these bold claims. Reality is usually much less flashy than a sales pitch. It is important to stay grounded in what we know is true. We are searching for peace in a noisy world. Sometimes we look for it in the things we wear. That is a human instinct. But real healing usually happens from the inside out.